Well, Adom Mpensenpensenmu to adwumadi so eda kwasisi anso asese what draw your attention to anyway be ekoso Ghana hanum sia ha adwen ye pa mo ade esukufo anuane ko suku a na afie motwa amho na mafa anuane na mo de ko fie whatever mo de koye ne de onyame nkwane and always I keep reminding you say oman chechire ne oman kanko ne oman puntu no apart from say to abayi nipa binu so oman ya kendi for no ye nso aye wo oman nim no we have a responsibility as citizens say ye beboa ama bibia timi aye torting nti say wantimi entu sa na mo no na onso boa e market ahye ne project pija ne mo a emfafo bo no bibia da enkoma wona oye amanyosem. That's very unfair. And then Mr. Bernhard Ofori Asante. Mr. Bernhard Ofori Asante. Kane now a church for our Wesley College. Wesley College. Wadi 80 years. And then Ibu bitina nenase and yede eko suku. Enti era aye Mr. Asante sana yefro. Oda bro. In fact, enye mo wa se onyame gusu hirawa odo ko eye wofie so bebre ye da wani mi. Nti happy birthday to you. Wa onim ni bia no era Bernhard Ofori Asante. Oba Ofori Asante. Ye wase bema nimnyamfo chi mensa bonsu. Wase bema Chief Executive Radio Max ana Oba Kodwa Asante. Dodo friend Kaunda. Yeah, it's now Nasi Kosuku Yano, Kojufusu, Nancy, Linda, Lava Mankwa, and they honor your Kumasi Wesley girls or more a headmistress, or also in a boom caseda, Afishapa, as you celebrate your 80th birthday. And happy birthday, Sunko, and Enkoma. The big party in Ankasania, Unyamiadum, so we see a bayada. The Danyamias say, and they Omewanya in fear at your watching. We are so grateful and we thank God for your life. Once again, happy birthday, Mr. Bernhard Ofori Asante. Kane na ochradie ewo Wesley College. Yeah, back to studio there quickly. My main cow say Ubi also would do our day and so no. It's a happy birthday, Sonko, and Medema say would do our day and na in paying for say. George Kwame Abuaji, a member of parliament, Asema so across the constituency. Era George Desmond de Graft Peto, so member of parliament. Gomoa West constituency. Sample Gomoa East, Gomoa East constituency in Penfuatlasi. Kwame Abuaji, I point to say, maybe come on. What the other? Didika is any Bemabaha. Now we show TV so. Me who dream in Kwanse Fatal. Conscious Yaboko. Good. The party music is saying, Baby Acoso. And what it is. Party no. Party. Yeah, Baby Acoso. Oh, mine, what it is. Want to make a problem or no party BBI okay. And then I just say BBI and Coso. Party kakrakati say MPP. Share followers say o. Na ye timi ayi candidate I dey ye flag bearer a wa pro. A communicators bia ye na djuma. Because this ye limited registration. Enti na MPP MPs do draw na constituency. Me say me badu ye can say na me wa ha no. Enti na say me rush na me pa me draw na djuma. Bia do na kwa bibia koso. Party no so akwo aban o tisu sisi so no aban hye te say party awo aban hye ekoye you see my main can asem kakra ha there is a global challenger ekos wo ba bia but I say ye nuanum person che say ye de island ye ntie ho ne ye bibia nkoyi enya no kra me free US ba 2 weeks ani me call restaurant bi ko didi minia you bill like the brand ni a so say because of a new ekoso intino omo increase 7% on BBR 7%. I'm telling you that me ba the receipt in my 7% intimo the receipt in Ghana I don't see it. Thank you. What is it? Ekoso be a global issue after COVID
wiase no ye fa no I don't know say fa no say bia bibia ye okay wi a not just say enioma say during COVID time I say COVID no anche de binum fi say bia anche ntina nka ayi e wiase ba bia nya Ghana kra de nyame adom ye hwema na ya na me nuanum ka wo compare yen abresu yi eni omo de na dum so na baaye no enioma e course so a now compare me say ye kra yakwanim so wa abresu no munya asa we a oh minia
I think some of the concerns that continues to be say ampa yejitum say enioma asesa ampa yejitum say we are sent to say can in city because it be see that say we am share hodo nyina e be grounded e depend me pie every enioma bebre ho kwatwe na emom eno achi no amai impanyimfo ahodo ne na pamfo no so no in the midst of all these challenges no egusu hwehwe kwan ahodo a ebema ne manfo na de hye no wono ho ahare homo saade no na em se ha no don kuma no eni Ghana fo bi no mu no esusu se eba ho a na sinto kese ya babama mo
no don't so abani gusupa nana mami tro ade bi esi o parliament ma tese ese om de court na I don't know say bia anya kudu court wa who say nana do buy ni who say ana buying of mine be no there must be a deliberate policy and say no what me industrialize it who dey hwe Singapore nom UAE nom countries are almost atimi develop industrialization be and there was a deliberate policy ye de ne 1D 1F no internet ya ni ama exemptions tax exemptions to companies no matimi aba Dubai no nyina ye bi nyen ko a since a free 2020 be see me no ka say about 40 companies almost tax exemption or yentimi pass it because of your numbers ni into kwane hu mate kra million me some dey go
it's an abuse okay type of way we say man e be why so heartbreaking
and I make sure say yeah unma dey say yen as parliamentarians no they say kra say because ye your oversight responsibility and they say timi kranya ad hoc committee bi say sad ye we a ye dey abase enye no be boa yen no ye hwe dey say you see the dollar eh say nyoma bi on ma ye timi produce a yen kokra If you say then come boy, there must be say, there should be a deliberate policy. Into your ad hoc committee be almost the end say, my yamon waivers no. Almost the answer they go back and check say, okay, I did the man on exemption at the man no, costing. Na any pain no I employ. Na any man who produce a export. Revenue hina who generate. And two the tossons no be foreign exchange. Bena o any ahi na wan when you betimi aboan enti exemption ba e bia yenye ad hoc committee bia almost there they say all the time they go into their books and check e be ma obi obaji tax exemption they cover coin bi so no obey careful because when you say microphone be ba check me I just say see yenye deliberate policies are nana you see the need sa dollar ni cents am ne there me many fee
it's becoming difficult.
Yes.
It's becoming difficult to trust the politician now, i.e. the New Patriotic Party.
No.
In opposition. They be the sense that probably moved to Akwemu and they be America parties contract or money Ghana for a sign. It be anywhere the Ghana can say it. It be the Ghana concluding dini puntu the can go.
Very well.
Now whether implementation or enforcement or monitoring or evaluating whatever we want to do no a big problem fantastic submissions in opposition we want to do 1D 1F we want to do a village to a dam we want to do free SHS we want to do industrialization get the private persons involved in government in huge projects to ensure that employment homes and seminar education health but if you look at your 7 years we are proud to say that most of these contracts among Ghana forces, at least we can jump and say hooray, even though 100% they will be able to say it's not possible. Can you say that?
Nana, and now kind of chair, born you ma boy a bien wha yenye name mumuno a free 2017 by ABC 2020 and some COVID urban net saying after COVID me constituency for instance me the whole year in fact 2017 me call parliament a free ho ABC 2019 projects are na cost one constituency in Ghana na after COVID this year in a project for etimi abas e kire wo say se ka se BBC a na ye no kre economy no na me kire initial stage maker economy no enye Ghana nkwa na asem we to yen yes ye nyoma be bread by 1D 1F free SHSE one village one dam or northern sector no planting for food and jobs all these things ekoso na mmom no the level a ebi say do no who assess ni nyina who be maybe be 70% who be maybe be 50 who maybe be 60%. Yes, and I'm sure say because of enyoma yekotom COVID na see na yen fine say as agro bi because we are say yen nyina any fee that ben any hu say ese bibia obi an chefie mo mpie for a week kra ebi see that and enye ha hanko China cried here. Omu che papa. And they are the powerhouse of production. And you may be break because we are seeing now. And it's almost 2 months said anyway.
You parliament are tied to Honma. Now EMPP are tied to her. Only nam ghettos no, any streets no, any you know, they come be an outdated about Mebru Museum Kaka.
Ejuma. Obia Ejuma. Honorable Dabena ye near Juma, ye pay Juma, Niadi. And no major challenge I'm facing on my ear faces.
How?
Very well.
Or communicating what I'm paying you for.
Very well. Even me crap me the measures are go across with me I'm constituency. You bet me and at least bear 1 or 2 factories be all. Since me buy you know me ma seedlings. Me and sell seedlings and the ma farmers. Say I grow a scheme and I'm young cause I'm do every. Okay. Since you started me side and my start here. Yeah harvest here. Abeni bia say no yegusu merura babia just to get the factory there. That's
another conversation about so as to the interest that Mebru in agriculture. It's one opening. I don't know the perception about Mebru in terms of agric. Oma oke ka wa agric monobad eba from in terms that's clear yo by beba so here Desmond the graph page Akwaba. And this is an opposition. We only wake up to see criticisms and plain propaganda and sometimes overly mischievous and all those things. Opposition and so country on your plate, you know, and your mamudi go so. And they are for you to be considered because it cannot be business as usual when election is about parties in opposition. Normally, you resort to attacking, but you are not telling us your policies for us to serve as a guideline. I'd be just so. Amama the alternative maybe such a Ghana. So what's on the table?
Omahin Medase, and a payment mintia. It's here for our shame. Minchia me consuency for chairman. I am for what team. Titiro Mahin or Huina, ye chairman. Am I a topic? It's in the bar.
Where the
be queen. You see, baby MPP for Tibia and Wessia de Obediato.
Maybe a MPP 40
Tibia, we share the obediato, not true worthy. We meaning, or you may colleague elder, I was sorrow cryacum. But MPP no asha na tara, I do ye no crown to Moncado no car. So I bet na high policies are edible quem. Let me not forget that quickly. Policies are edible quem. Ma Ghana for who there, or the what to aba, edema NDC no, will soon come. Yura John Dramani Mahama.
Is it true that I'm the draft copy command John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency?
Oh yes.
About your social contract about
yes. Yes. And all that policies no will soon come. The moment in Martin there, or before nanam ho a pardon. Such as it, ono no your before wa kurium de namaba. Your before or kurium no wa kwache namaba.
Their concentration should be on the MPP.
They are in power. We are giving them the mandate.
Oh, you hear Quine say.
Yes, that's why I told you, said the policies is soon coming.
As we speak now, Member of Parliament for Gomoa West, the graft. Gomoa East. Are you telling me that as we speak, Moko Montenswa, what then do you tell the Ghanaian?
We tell them a lot. We spoke about our 24-hour economy.
Okay, Jinaha, tell me 24-hour economy.
Men differ from NASA. I will come to that, but let me battle.
You want to?
Yes,
okay,
let me battle what you say. Then I will come to explain our policies to you.
Okay.
Say you know, Orca, one village, one dam.
Correct.
Wasana no say one village, one dam in the northern sector. But you were here 2016 when they were campaigning. They told us one village, one dam.
A village to a dam.
A village to a dam.
And they make specific reference to in the northern region.
That is when they realized they could not do. Then they make a specific reference to the north. One constituency, 1 million. Okay,
a constituency, 1 million.
One district, one factory. One district, one factory. Maybe you could be in a few and there. Say, factory. They come behind you and almost supporting the way
why if you read their manifesto, it tells about private participation in that.
There is a difference between private participation and you telling Ghanaians, say, I am coming to do one district, one factory.
One casa one district.
One district, one factory. That was the message that they preach. As some are walking Ghanaian for no. And I say, my body, okay, Libu away Juma, into me pede, me partner, me bow, netumu boy Juma, and yet different direction.
So, like the Kufi deal.
That's it.
Obi wana ne abroad farms.
That's it.
Na about
Akotanichi. If we say one district, one factory.
But for my strength, go to be called the miles. I work on mileage.
That is a support. So if you tell Ghanaians say one district, one factory,
you are injecting money.
You are injecting money to support the factory to go. Look, Mama supported Tobinco Pharmacy. You are aware.
Another
pharmaceutical country. Does it mean say on no establish a factory? No. We want to see from NPP as some what kind in their own manifesto what they have done. One district, one factory. They should show us explicitly this is the factory. Government did it. Government commissioned it. Na Ghana fonte wona see. You see wakasa no the album there. Wo babia. Me also call America. Okoto ediman watch all those 7% because of what has happened. What has happened in America? About some nation. We are talking in our own country.
But you compare.
You the managers.
But all of us.
What comparison is becoming unbecoming?
No, but you sit here. That's not your person. Your party people sit here and say, so call Canada, so call Cote d'Ivoire, so call America, so call London, and say that here. So you say, why is it that when we were doing or no, you compare the whole challenge, or say a global? Global yes. means that implication all over the world.
Yes.
So you cannot use Ghana as an island. It's Ghana for the person can say, yes, you and Kasa, who do you call America? The same thing. Who do you call India? The same thing. That's why people say the question say, in the midst of all these challenges, am I paying for Saturday? She go akwema. Ebema what a choma anymore. So you cannot run away from that comparison. You need to respond.
Yes.
You need to admit
that
globally there's a challenge.
Globally there is a challenge. Globally there is a challenge. We agree to that. But Ghana ha yet in. And she said Ben what you go kwema for this short time warfare bemwe that will change the narratives. The dollar is speeding above 15. You see, as someone walk out you one there, some muna muanka. We are not there. You are there.
Omuni move it. Say be performance is below average.
What below average?
Once they are able
one change in performances, I would you go akwem. If someone why them. They should show us. The other day, Captain Smart was making reference. Say, I buy you about to me from structure NDC. NPP should show, say, yeah, buying this is the hospital we have built. This is the school we have built. They should show us.
But that's a disjointed argument because I buy and Tuaswo.
No.
For instance, I buy and Tuaswo, say, Mitra, and who say, what I shall say, every president go for buying so, a bit do more buying so this 3 projects there. The military hospital, the Syria hospital, and I know at first stage is more.
Yes.
Now, if you go back to check time and about exiting power and where it is now, and most of the projects Abuja are more complete here. We give credit to the NDC, but we also thank them because what you are referring is that if they cannot point to anything, it means that the next time you are in power. Ghana for one Kaswashi be a sentino, also be abandoned with the now, so I should say the baby say. And that's the problem with this country.
That is their problem. A lot. NDCA has been abandoned. they've not.
So we need to question them.
We need to question them.
Exactly.
Why has it been abandoned?
Mention
because government is a chain of continuum.
Exactly.
Do you understand?
Exactly.
A lot has been abandoned them.
One.
But my feed the Mancofu a MPP phone there. Abribia Wobeshibia and Wopeda Wobon Sabrane, referring to certain things because certain things that they were not doing right, they refer to the Madinti and I Adam, the Madinti, a Buaka was in. Said to my mission, I say, Otiase is talking about the Dumso. What do we see in Ghana now? You said it. Dumso, but look, Dumso, Mahama solved it before he left power.
5 years.
You are aware? He solved it. Chairman said it at Woon to Me TV. He solved it. But the time frame was so short to election, so we didn't see it. What do we see now? Dumso in Ghana. And you have the credibility to talk about Dumso in our time. Your time, what are we seeing? So MPP are buying not one. Adibia one right to be a 1 year. No, that's a Mwanka obey them. Mwanka. The dollar was left to you 3.9. Now it's 15 point something.
If you quote the president,
what credibility are you talking about?
If you quote the current president, or say dollar now hata. It means it's not perfect.
Oma in Mamincho. They themselves are Wawabem. They are stealing the dollar. They know. Yes, I'm telling you.
Serious.
Let me give you.
Serious indictment.
Let me give you my explanation. You will understand. They themselves are changing the dollars into their account, so the dollar is floating in the market.
Serious indictment.
It's not indictment.
You can state. Maybe you have evidence to certain group of people or individuals. I'll move to Sanamona and your papa. Name the entirety of day.
Oh, yeah.
He's
no, you are a gentleman.
Okay, maybe day. I will draw the day. I will draw the day.
It's a day.
No worry, I will draw the day.
Yeah. Okay. But if you are specific,
who a gentleman?
I will draw the day.
No problem.
Me do no so eka ho. Nemo me peda me chain there. Abanu mufu binum.
Exactly.
Is that correct?
Nobody will
yes.
fight you.
Abanu mufu binum. They are changing the dollar. Okay? To their disposal, hitting them. And that is why the dollar is sitting the market at 15. Because they know election. And no so this is what they are doing. They won't come out to tell you, but from the observation at the back, this is all what we are seeing. Who told you that? We left it for you 3.9. Why is it now 15? Well, how are you managing it? That is how it is 15. And what yenu no no awo ho no adibia wonye no right biano what attribute na this mo na mo aka mo this but say ya yete omahin you are hosting this show. If anything goes wrong here,
I am responsible for that.
Must you go and call somebody to come and answer, or we question you?
I need to be questioned.
So why don't they admit? Now, what the police, okay, also what the policies look at claim. Okay, you started 2021. 2020 COVID buy. We all agree, COVID buy. It affected business. That one we will know. At first, war, Ukraine, Russian war was their your friend saying, matching a year away. What can you say now their global challenge? We understand the global challenge has been in existence for years, and it will never go off until we all die and go. It is say what policies are you putting in place that will change the system? Economic Messiah, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, economic Messiah. What policies are you putting in change? Like a joke, people were joking about you. One more steer. Now, drive a car on a bank and a obe trust ni mate. Say magic car if you master hunt me down more than you can. Once you know how to drive, you have to go somewhere and better yourself. The taxi be not there. Economic measure. We want to see Baumia policies that is coming out that will reflect the system we are in now. And then you won't know about Massa. But what I was saying, and this now power and Kobotumas, and this now our power and Kobedam. Why are you talking about it? You don't have fact. You don't have factual to base upon. It is a what to turn them here. I want to turn them here for the few months we have before the election. Number one man met on there, and this now power and this. We have seen them. A lot we have seen them. One train, and them on we council on my project. Last at Asempa, Kwesakwa. Also, a lot of projects. A Google baby. We don't see, we want to see the physical project that you have done. It means better not get a global challenger. It is aware, it is agree. Since I was born, there was a global challenge. Today, there is a global challenge. Tomorrow, there will be global challenge. It will never go. But all what say on my muna, it will govern on man. What policies have you put in place that will make the people suffering to become free?
I see. It's not a joke. So,
am I him to me?
I don't know. And this is also.
Am I him? I mean, Cassabin. So, no cancer be or a gentleman. Or a gentleman who know parliament or a gentleman to Monsiam. Oh, mine. Ghana for I say, me Cassa, I won't train you. But a Juma Ghana for the Shay and son, ya pa, or mine. I say, sir, Ocasa infrastructure ain't being channel. More or see a one more hospital by me and said, Dean, almost see we are Frabem, almost NDC Team Frabem for 8 years. Me and Sampe, a been a woman to me, Moby. Why to me and we, in your baby, send your kind. Sir, copy the buy, I can't answer me. A president who said, no, your health is not enough. Now, agenda 1 by. Corona, baby, face edu. But me call insurance crab over me, dear. Baby, edu.
Agenda 111. Agenda 111.
Hold on.
Oh, men can want some agenda 111. Men can want some.
Maybe dear,
men can want some.
Maybe dear do roofing. Yes, and I'm
look at this. Look at this. Agenda 111 need you do roofing. Look at this.
Yes, and I make some
place what cut saw the crown. It has not been started. So the fact
you see hospitals, Marco 111.
I don't want to interrupt. Man, can
111 hospitals. Now say maybe dear do a roofing. Oh, casa mining yard. At the midst of these difficulties, I when your resources the yes sir. Says a considering school be an once infrastructure, more net is saying, more you block here, Musi here, Monty, when the baby commission, and you real mamma. It is all because you abandoned project, and you know, great. President Gufo, a year, or static Kumasi Road, double road, or they call a Trasu Equapeja. Mobile man touching that, yen you buy your baby. Says another danko was out to us. From apart from Ufri Pokuasi, air concern, the air from Linda Do, air concern, Yeguso. Ufa Winneba Road, what's the project now? Mo, the Mobano, Moban Marabanda. But Mo, dear, by says the project air concern yadi. Into our mind, the minion cano, on train sign. I may also my cassette, someone on buy ya. On check dollar, no say depreciation. Yes, you know, and a high. Obia o CD say and now or channel ne value no akofom yenim sa but on check it the value about 14%. No share the same time one more address no more here no compare because President Kufuor free so na your 0.8 at that time no 0.8 muja 4.2 check it percentage ahin in percentage terms ahin na check yes here there na ka kire ye kura with this global ye bin see that ye hu bi da se bi see ya na bia enye ne ye kura ye dia ye nya o ye no na hwe difference na wa be ka kire say dollar no yes ye nya say dollar no dey but check percentage terms na ha there.
Okay, I'm sure so you are aware the NDC is having a press conference today. We are aware.
Machi bibisa.
We am shishiwana.
WWW. And this is the Omahi in the market.
Some medical prompters
and some of your mobile cabin. Because ABC, President Kufuor free swan and another airbano. Can some found no cry, you crude oil cry, no say I don't at that time, no. Meboa. Oman can just on 110 premium on health insurance. 110 premium. In some government can be. open power. Oh man.
But this is about our attorney general.
Oh, Mati. Onka. Nana, some no me na court and some my law kakranti. Court and some no ya na. Me had too much. But me kind sa papa no Mr. Japano nin some no kakra. Na so be to tuano wo adakem. Na I say nipa no tuano more pressure. Na nunti o say we share no baby na wo be ka say ya. It tells you say a cook story or baby. Oh, you are no baby or baby. It can never convince me. Me can crash. Me ready papa no name sem no.
Omo fan to Jakura no.
Me say me ready the or no the assembly buy no. The or no the assembly buy. Yes, me ready name sem. In some way to me convince me. Ma tra say my dream na tra we. Because your political season in some way I can see be bow. Omo ya wa ha ye hu 208 omo printing minister state bank statements are na fake edin na mkrase say minister we scale gu na bank account you omo ye bi enti de omo ye na nya nwa but this time no so they have then say a lot of youth you know what I say a lot of youth you know free SHS at the Roma enti there were a lot of youth at this time omo ready pa enti omo so your analysis nyani nyana straight mo kan no majatum those days no etwam.
So all you have, that means
no,
Omahin.
We are winning this election.
No, we are
not too.
We are winning this election. It's not too early. But Ghanaians are the two parties, you know. I'm telling you, Ghanaians, yes, we admit. Yes, say trouble. Oh, Nana. Yes, say no so no. Yeah, mom. Oh, ba. Now no ba wo fie. Na asem si na to bo asitimi church oba ne say kwaku we nti na we maybe our school fees mintu ana we a oba no or reason oba no be reason me say we are winning this election because ye nim sa ho kire ho but ye magana for say ye try say ye be resolve sa ho kire na me just say youth no say no because of Nanado Danko Akufo and free SHS nti and there were a lot of graduates on Mopejuma and no say no the next chapter of Dr. Baumia.
I see. Just so that's what it means. Therefore, is that in election year, no, who deducted from the okay, more good at propaganda and mischief. Any instance.
Oh, my hand. Me huma menkampo. Menuye. O say, mama makwana NDC fu. One young man, me a nice gentleman. Men so me pede me catch and say, nice gentleman. Into more makwana MPP akushi some no one permanent pension room on one. On my end, as some the whole clear yeka.
Yeah.
Mr. Japa Aqua Court. Okay. Anna wakana some. The Attorney General. Airborne modern door better than the media akushi summon to the first accused. You were to force him do. Na yemfanuntum. Also rekasano na Attorney General na samor bekende. Wa samarikano ebi onye no kwar ana agro neridi ana. No. Men ka sama media agro. Menya bre. Asam na mekano. Me wo hu adanse. Eya mobo adanse no. Eya so bi kaso oman tio oman Yami Mpengu. Who wife actually there or your girlfriend? Me your girlfriend. Mira, it's in your girlfriend.
Oh yeah.
No, me man phantom. It's in your girlfriend. Yeah, mobile tape actually. Na wa unsu nyim da sam na wo ho no oye no kwara obo hu anado mo. Sa etema me che mo be me ye din na meeting
simplifying it.
Obo hu anado mo hu. Na court no libisa da sam no rekan beka bibia fa ho ye wura Attorney General ye din wontu mankasa. He is now going to think what to say before he come back. Papa na say me wa dance. So be you rekasa no jando de me wa dance ya.
Ni nice bibi so.
Ni nice bibi do. On your friend the moto aboba bowa na nice aboba no do. Nya fi no de nsare kwa wi ahwehwe aboba. Ose me wa dance. Dare me and I will prove to you that I have a evidence against you. Omahin. ye ka a who attorney general Ghana emran ekuni kura onu ohwe aban ne nsam then the question I baby sande yewura Gofredame, is that what you've been doing? What cases are the court in and is that what you've been doing? You lure people to testify wrongly against people, then you jail them to make you proper.
Until you listen to the other side of the story, why are we as in NDC able to conclude that that is the true story of what Jakpa has said?
No.
What's our basis for saying that?
Yes, Jakpa said, or Adanse.
But it's unfolding.
No.
Because because more interest in Jakpa.
Yes.
We have an interest because of the seriousness of the situation in the office of the Attorney General and that of the judiciary.
Yes.
So it's not a silver platter, especially when everybody who enters the dock swears under oath not to lie. Because so it's not a matter for partisanship.
No.
It's a serious matter that needs to be really looked at.
Kind of partisanship.
No,
okay.
Any interest politically is wrong on this matter. Because this is Ghana versus untruth or truth. Dishonesty or honesty. Transparency or opaque.
Yes.
It's just normal thing the ACC.
Yes.
Our expectation as Ghanaians is for the NDC today to come out and prove beyond every reasonable doubt. Yebeko game park aba.
Me point.
Of course, more time if you game park aba.
Matt.
The graph. Well, Yasaba, I try to come on so and say I have Kenya as number 1 and 2 and him more Mosuma Jibran Musum and then my own brother Kumauma Hene, Marima Safo Chulubu Akodia, also Doctor. Good morning and pay also Wajibra Washibi. The Macau quickly say any Okoto Malta Guinness now, Mr. Obibre, who say Ghana ya share Sudiano from one because one we are no be the 6, I don't know 9. Very important. Good old tasty Malta Guinness no. They say crowd here as I enriching it with vitamin B and no Badwam Mpensenpensenmu kwano ahode nsonko ebem crime. The bribia that Okoto make sure check say logo no from one. Check Ghana a logo is very, very important. Malta Guinness and one yenum. There's a number. Before it was studio, say a lot of your text messages about say I'm person come so much via phone, but unfortunately it's not going to be possible. George Kwame Abuaji, Member of Parliament, Asemanso across constituency, and Desmond de Graaf Payton Suno, Oko Gomua Easter on the original Adesha one. So era Desmond
you okay
agree with the
na me wo yewura Gofredame asam no so nti omahin papa say o evidence yewura Gofredame eyiano na yedi fi court yedi aba now mo ye won there as an attorney general obia bebisa se judge no frame meeting no so when a frame meeting no there was a meeting okay. Oh, you then a catch a crime to Ojina court today. Asembia meka biano or jitum. Neminya some infantia, the first accused. Nayintum infantum. Cessanity. He didn't act professional. We can have a meeting. You better discuss the basis. Asam no court and them not. But when you can there, ufi or an experienced lawyer, a whole attorney general, managing government legal system. Na rekachu bi oni jina dekam there. Asam bia maybe so bia ni jitum na yemfa first accusing tum. It means you might ask him a questioner. Sometimes no on to me nyano no ba obegia tum there dam not court nso ye gina na ye kasa krope e kan ya it has been recorded nin to me besa wachi biom na iwie na di nimpa ni tuma then you've achieved your aim. Now if there is no clear evidence if through the nimpa ni edibo tuma, why don't you come out to say asam ne hwehwem na yehu there ye nuano no song ye nua no oyem mfomdo kakra you see mfomdo bi animpa be ye bia no ewo na sotwe a obenya ebia mfomdo be ye basa na yaka bom idi fo woni na emu a ode ye de wutum na mum ye hwe ne mfomdo e basa idi fo okrum nti ye bebo okoko ye bo twe aso ye be fine ye be ye dam that procedure is there. So how you a whole attorney general conspire whether the judge called for the meeting, there is no problem with it. The judge in for a meeting, there is no problem. Nimum asamu fi owo attorney general na one no a buy was something that uncalled for. To me, I feel he should resign. I feel the masamna is you see ekunufi. He should resign. Na omma kwan no be foforo in take over. Na se owa kwanye bi ode besan no a onsan no ho. Na next time no onye careful about his utterances because as some nyimpa bue na no ka no ono anode no ko baby.
Let's not jump the gun.
Yes, I'm not jumping. I'm just advising. I'm not.
Your advice is seeking to say they are japa abekane and kure. So based on that, no. But don't forget that we've all been to court before where people come to swear the oath and they lie. And then they are later on exposed as Mamo can say true and accusation.
So we want Attorney General to challenge Jackman.
No, until one, the NDCs claimed this morning that Omobemaya beyond reasonable doubt. Two, Attorney General also prepare no, but the substantive matter is still in court.
Yes.
It has not changed the dynamics of the case.
No, not at all. Not at all.
So let the NDC come out today. Let's not jump. But the caveat is that if that is what has transpired, and remember the song to say, but we move on today. You are telling on the side. As I'm saying, you fact, oh, you know, fact, it was some no one knows more for Papa. And the baby that we see there be we say I there or more for the team. I was because there be we ahead the Korea for now. So we are looking forward to your 10 o'clock press conference. I hear just now to the MPP.
Is it 10 or 2 o'clock?
2 o'clock, right?
2 o'clock.
And the MPP is also saying 2 o'clock. So I think what we can all expect is 2-2, and then by 4 o'clock we are done.
We will hear all what comes out.
Then we can sample.
We will
really
hear what comes on. In short, on to know the level how he is, and next time when he's talking, he think twice before he speak.
Okay.
Set my mention I say yes, because in the we are saying
okay.
That's how I can end it.
Okay, so
me no I can say more jump gun onto the boss. Na we are saying no to boss ya and kra wo bibia na empo se kobasa se bibisa akoso man me can crash onye boni wo follow law pa onye boni cases akese si wo wiase crime cases akese the obi nipa ko bi edi boni a utimi yetimi chi ba ko na akaje nse wo o ma aka na for mo ma yehu na wo sentence abeye less esi wiase ba bia ayi se wo follow crime cases now follow crime cases a the brainy criminals negotiate ama ye chi me boss no ye chi boss na o ma aka no o say o nya ma no lesser sentence bi na fi main boss na ye hwe no onu mo ni agina ntim no me nka se oyesa na se wa yesa me hu boni bia wo ho yes attorney general wonye boni bia.
Okay, so we'll wrap up with
by 2 o'clock no you be hu you be see na me coincidence phobia send message madam ase say mo hwe me mo nko so nya dwumaden minim say mo ye dwumaden na afie send mo si ahye me bo no say na yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bamu
oh my le man kwa on ye campaign oh your campaign me don't consensus phobia friend no one share the ball yewura Baumia then I can also speak for yewura John Dramani Mahamo yes so you allow me to do that I don't cut me you allow me to do that
that's a fair judge
that's of course your campaign are we signing up
no
yes signing up
John Mahama said that I'm begging all multinationals don't leave Ghana
Don't leave Ghana. That is interesting topic to talk about that.
I know, yeah. Excuse me to say, Abraham Mahama, me penasempa, despite Ojo. And near the highest, excuse me to say, a hypocrite. I'm telling you. Why am I saying this? Why am I saying this? Independent what dia kunyan be paying. President. Young corner benso near na benso factories a Johnny Cote d'Ivoire and outside.
Point them.
Because of them so. Oh, nyabutre.
Point them.
Nyabutre. Ebia sipa yehu at West. Now companies are here in Ako. Oboli Grovo din. Bako.
There are lots.
Glovo did not leave this country because of economic action.
Me person me chance say onko check Glovo and then I turn wo ebia be ofriba. What you say? Companies be brave in you me tuom wo ho no because here mama what dey akonya bi pe onim say ne city yes opa akonya di intimi say ensam de obeka bia ndie metenase na momu no ono no ka the bus stop at his place because he's the final on the NDC into ono kasa I will no maybe say be sre no ya won say no nye too because who can because what the be paying eso say woni bi da what the be da ye hu track record ye hu the see what I say me mi koka dum so na ni bu afu mi
Oh.
Dum so mo ma breso for infebe num so ma so yan ka say dum so e mada dum so e meba me my energy enti minim energy mu sem e betimi about anytime nyemo me ba e kwan be so na wo so no the authority no wo be fa so ntem no atimi attend things around na atimi stabilize enu hunia because yakwe enim no I see amman bia no nya projections every year ebi am the say be ka ho projection enti no ntimi frank ho a now no say enko renewal but it is no renewables na say also enti more of hydro solar wind and other you know yakwe enim no ye hu de dekeka ho kakrakra but they see you know is it say bia you need capacity to generate now the capacity is there but always there are challenges and the challenges ne ba ni are resolve but mo dey take 5 years to resolve this nti ya ka dum so amama mo bumfu yan ka say dum so enti da bibi ebeba ne mo ba kwan be so na we fa o be resolve intem say wo say o da kaniem me bo akache me say o da kaniem a enti me nua factories ni ade no obi anko ba bia na say me tie ni mo say bangi SG omo kwani omo so ba say nyen kra enti yesramo mo amabreso mo de emra bia mo start use fear and panic mo fa fear and panic mo na senior na danko Akufo-Addo eni ewura Dr. Mahmood Bawumia omo economy na yenyinem sa battered because of COVID omo siesie no omo ntimi siesie me show bo say e free August September econ one kasa so be kan kropa we dia dance bu sampa etimi attend things around I'm telling you you see it yourself
Oman na some no your throw
no be over there yes you see it yourself we say yes
Oman man hide it throw
and yet serious
people are watching you from the screen laugh and let them see that what you say is a laughter
me a member of parliament
no laugh let the people see you that what you saying is a laughter
that mean laughter
I'm telling you it's a laughter what if in January March, Nyoma better na run.
Things will stabilize.
May Nyoma better na run. Now they are moving to August, September. An election year speedily. And Nyoma better na run.
Yes.
And then what capacity do you have to turn around this short time?
It takes time.
You see, MPP for baby Obia propaganda has been their hallmark. I'm telling you, has been their hallmark. As some no no kwara wo peda wo catch on with that some no or no kwara. August, September. Abuadi terminal plan, Mama Nadebai, they move it from there to Kumasi. How much does it cost us? Maybe if we figure, if you remember. And then how much does Ameri, yes. And how much does Mama brought it to Ghana? Corruption in their own tent. You can't talk about it. And it is that corruption now. It is that corruption. Nama on my baby yedu. Expatriate are living Ghana. When Juma say, Dora wadi yejuma ayabasa. Won't mean cranio man and ma enfenye juma. So they are thinking of leaving the country to another greener pasture to establish. And there was a forum organized, award something, where Samuel Ewuku got an award. And Mama was appealing to them, this is what we have heard, that all of you want to leave. So we are pleading with you, don't leave, stay. No matter what be the challenge, the storm, stay with us. Things will change. Waka bona MPP for media propaganda the way the community binti on kasa na then. What are you talking about? You are aware of the problem. Have you people come out to address the problem? We are expecting NPP this issue move out. No more this multinational companies say we are in hard times. This is what is going on. This is what is going on. It is expected say munya but this is what have you addressed? And when Mama address and what are you talking about?
Mama talks because he's a very important personality in this country.
In the country.
And he knows also what goes into management of this country.
In the country.
So, some of his utterances, that's where maybe the caveat.
Is it a bad utterance?
Oh, no.
No.
If you plead, and then your plea maybe is not on the reality or the base of the situation. For instance, on a Grove on the bad team, Grove also in common will be the actual Ghana for no and Chile free of mining because of mining is a seven good jabu in why into Omoko. That one, when you do that,
Mama can't Omani sika sam kuntambu. It is economic challenge. So many implications border to become economic challenge. If Omani sika sama, then we are going to ask Baumia
15. Baumia 15.
Yes. Oman also watch your door nation bottom. Look, Oman, as we sit down here, the most running. We are going to ask Baumia 15.
Not Ghana for 8 years. Oman, no government. Obey me. I'm a dollar no ejina forever. Unless you are the back. Obey me in tempera. Yes. Say in the industrializer, we should forget it.
Oh, look at that industrializer. Where is 1D1F? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, where is planting for food? Where is 1D1F? Planting for food and what about phase 1? What impact did they use in the country?
In a mechanized form. Yeah, no.
Well,
peasant farmers.
I be hitting a member. Mama time.
We are thank you so much for watching.